Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're all having an amazing day. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can use CPR or how you can plot CPR in TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful application if you are into stock trading and trading of any sort, where you can just pretty much plot and see trends which happen on a day-to-day or even on a weekly or a monthly basis for your stocks or any investments you might have. As you can see, currently I have the Apple Inc. or the Apple Incorporated stock open from the NASDAQ right here on my plot. And as I said, I am going to be showing you guys how you can plot CPR. Now, what you want to do to actually plot CPR is to go into the indicators and make sure if you're using the free version of TradingView, you can only have a maximum of 3 indicators per plot. So just keep that in mind. Now, what CPR is, it's basically a method of forecasting pretty much risk and volatility, where it just basically follows the philosophy that every trade is a result of the previous trade. So it is very useful as a forecasting tool. Now, to actually do it, what you want to do is go into indicators, and what you want to type is just type in CPR. And once you're here, as you can see, there is a lot of CPR plots and indicators which have been made by the community. And what you want to do to add any one of them is just to click on any one of them, such as this one with pivot levels. It'll be added, and now you can view the CPR. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.